Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Have you ever bought a big bag of lemons, thinking you'll use them all, only to find them shriveled, moldy, or dried out in just a couple of weeks? It's frustrating, and it feels like throwing money straight into the trash. But what if I told you that you can keep lemons fresh, juicy, and full of flavor for up to an entire year? Today, I'll show you 3 amazing methods that really work. Stick with me until the end, because the third one is my favorite. Method 1. Freezing whole lemons. This method is perfect if you want the entire fruit on hand. Simply wash and dry your lemons, then pop them straight into the freezer. Frozen whole lemons can last up to 12 months if kept in airtight freezer bags. When thawed, the juice actually flows out more easily, making it great for lemonade, teas, or cooking. Method 2. Preserving in salt water or olive oil. If you prefer a pantry or fridge method, this is a great choice. Place clean, dried lemons into a jar and cover completely with salt water or olive oil. This airtight seal blocks bacteria and mold, helping your lemons stay good for 6 to 12 months. In salt water, they soften into tangy preserved lemons, delicious in stews, roasted chicken, or salads. In olive oil, you get both preserved lemons and fragrant lemon-infused oil, perfect for pasta, grilled veggies, or fish. Method 3. Drying lemons into powder. This is my favorite long-term trick. Slice lemons thinly, remove the seeds, and dry them in a dehydrator or oven on low heat until crisp. Then grind them into a fine powder and store in an airtight jar. If kept in a cool, dry place, lemon powder can last up to a year while keeping its zesty flavor and vitamin C. Sprinkle it into tea, smoothies, salad dressings, or baked goods anytime you want that lemony kick. Now imagine this, in the middle of winter, when lemons are expensive or hard to find. You can still make fresh lemonade, drizzle lemon oil on dinner, or sprinkle lemon powder into your tea, because you were smart enough to store them the right way. So the next time you see a good deal on lemons, don't hesitate. Grab extra, try these 3 methods, and you'll never waste a single lemon again. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel Natural Remedies for more simple and practical kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching.